Hey everyone, I'm Erica, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm super excited today because we're diving into the Omega Juicer Cold Press, a 2025 health game changer that's stealing the show on Amazon. Tired of juicers that waste produce or kill nutrients? This slow juicer delivers vibrant enzyme-packed juices with minimal effort. Imagine tossing in whole carrots or kale and sipping pure, flavorful goodness. If you're ready to level up your wellness, stick around. This juice is a must-have. Grab it through the link in the description to support the channel and score the best deal. Let's juice it up! The Omega Juicer Cold Press, model VSJ843QS, is a vertical masticating juicer with a 150-watt motor spinning at 43 RPM to preserve nutrients. Its dual-edge auger maximizes juice yield, squeezing up to 20% more than fast juicers. The 2-inch chute handles most fruits and veggies, with an auto-cleaning system to reduce pulp buildup. It juices greens, fruits, and even makes nut milks or sorbets. The juice container holds 15 ounces and the pulp bin keeps things tidy. At 14.5 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and 15.5 inches deep, it weighs 17 pounds with a sleek silver finish. Dishwasher-safe parts, a cleaning brush, and a 15-year warranty add value priced around $400. What sets it apart? The slow speed minimizes heat, keeping vitamins and enzymes intact for healthier, tastier juice. The vertical design saves counter space, and the auto-clean feature cuts prep time. It's quiet, perfect for early mornings, and versatile for everything from celery shots to almond milk. Users love the dry pulp, meaning less waste and more value. In 2025's wellness boom, this juice is ideal for clean eating enthusiasts wanting quality without fuss. Now, pros and cons after weeks of juicing. Pros: elite nutrient retention, high yield with dry pulp, whisper quiet at 50 decibels, versatile for greens to sorbets, easy cleanup with auto wipe and dishwasher parts, and that 15-year warranty is unbeatable. Cons: $400 is steep for casual juices, slower than centrifugal models, and the chute needs some chopping for larger produce. At 17 pounds, it's not super portable, and fibrous greens can clog if not alternated. My take: if you're serious about health and love nutrient-dense juices, the Omega Juicer Cold Press is a no-brainer. It's perfect for daily juicing and wellness-focused kitchens. Hit subscribe for more gear reviews and click the link in the description to grab the Omega Juicer Cold Press on Amazon. It supports us and gets you the best price. What's your favorite juice combo? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Like, share, or subscribe if this helps, and I'll see you next time.